Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear two-wheeler riders tuning in. What if spending just a few minutes on your bike could help prevent costly repairs, improve mileage, and make every ride safer? Many bike problems don't appear suddenly. They develop gradually when routine maintenance is delayed or completely ignored. In this video, we are exploring the bike service and maintenance guide from Youthbuddy. You'll learn simple maintenance habits that improve safety, performance, fuel efficiency, and long-term reliability. Always follow your owner's manual for the correct service intervals, maintenance requirements, and specifications. Service your bike according to both time and distance traveled because engine oil and other fluids, the battery, and rubber parts continue to age even when the bike is used less. Before every ride, check that your tires have the correct pressure and look for visible cuts, cracks, embedded nails, or bulges. Then test both brakes before entering traffic. Make sure your lights, indicators, horn, mirrors, and fuel level are all checked before starting your journey. On electric bikes, confirm that the battery has enough charge. Also look underneath the bike for any signs of oil leakage and listen for unusual sounds from the engine, chain, or wheels. If the bike feels unstable or starts vibrating unexpectedly, have it inspected before riding further. Every week, clean and lubricate the chain, then adjust it to the correct slack. Also check the brake response, tire pressure, and battery terminals. Small weekly checks help prevent bigger mechanical problems later. Every month, inspect the air filter, control cables, suspension, spark plug, electrical system, and important fittings for signs of wear or damage. Replace the engine oil and oil filter according to the recommended service schedule. Keep the air filter clean and inspect the brake pads, brake fluid, tires, battery condition, and wheel bearings during regular servicing. If your bike uses liquid cooling, check the coolant regularly. Adjust your maintenance according to the season. Monitor cooling during summer, lubricate the chain more often in the rainy season, and check battery strength during winter. If you regularly ride on dusty roads, clean the air filter more frequently to maintain good engine performance. Never ignore warning signs such as overheating, smoke, unusual engine noises, weak braking, fluid leakage, or hard gear shifting. Handlebar wobble, repeated starting problems, or a sudden drop in mileage also deserve immediate attention before they become major repairs. Ride smoothly, avoid unnecessary overloading, use quality fuel, and park in shaded areas whenever possible. Maintain a service record and choose genuine parts to keep your bike performing reliably for years. The best time to maintain your bike is before it tells you something is wrong. For more details, click the link in the description or explore it directly on the Youthbuddy website. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.